Hook. Hey there. Have you ever wondered how mastering technical analysis can completely transform your investment strategies in the stock market? Imagine being able to predict market trends and make informed decisions like a pro. Sounds intriguing, right? Well, stick around because we're diving into the world of technical analysis today. Introduction. So, let's kick things off by talking about what technical analysis really is. In simple terms, it's a method of evaluating securities by analyzing statistics generated by market activity, like past prices and volumes. Why is this important? Because it helps traders and investors make informed decisions based on market trends and patterns. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned pro, understanding technical analysis is key to navigating the stock market successfully. Rising action. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of technical analysis. There are tons of tools and indicators that traders use to analyze the market. One of the most popular ones is the moving average. This tool smooths out price data over a specific period, helping you identify the direction of the trend. Then, we've got the Relative Strength Index, or RSI for short. This nifty indicator measures the speed and change of price movements to identify overbought or oversold conditions. By using these tools, you can start to predict market trends and make more strategic trades. And trust me, once you get the hang of these indicators, you'll feel way more confident in your trading decisions. Climax. Let's talk about a real-life example to really drive this home. Imagine a trader who was eyeing a tech stock that had been on a steady decline. By using a combination of moving averages and the RSI, they noticed that the 50-day moving average crossed above the 200-day moving average, a classic bullish signal. Plus, the RSI was hovering around 30, indicating that the stock was oversold. This trader decided to jump in and make a purchase. Fast forward a few weeks, and the stock soared. By applying technical analysis, they were able to make a successful trade based on solid indicators. This is just one of the many ways technical analysis can lead to profitable outcomes. Falling action. Now, before you run off to start trading, let's summarize some key takeaways. First, always remember that while technical analysis can be a powerful tool, it's not foolproof. Avoid common pitfalls, like relying solely on one indicator. It's essential to use a combination of tools and do your homework. Market conditions can change rapidly, so staying updated and adaptable is crucial. By understanding these nuances, you can avoid costly mistakes and enhance your trading strategy. Resolution. Alright, folks. It's time to encourage you to take that leap and start learning technical analysis for yourself. The stock market can be daunting, but with the right tools and knowledge, you can navigate it confidently. Start applying what you've learned today, and you'll soon see how valuable technical analysis can be in your trading practice. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Call to action, CTA. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome tutorials. Share your experiences or questions in the comments below. I love hearing from you. And make sure to check out my next video where we'll dive into advanced technical analysis strategies. Happy trading!